In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add one-word captions on CapCut. By the end, you'll have punchy captions that hit beat by beat and keep viewers engaged. First, open CapCut and start a new project. If you're using the desktop app or the browser version, the interface will look very similar. Make sure you're in a clean timeline with your media panel visible so importing is quick and straightforward. Next, add your video. You can drag and drop your clip into the media bin and then onto the timeline. Give it a quick play to confirm the audio is clear, because the caption accuracy depends on it. If your audio is quiet, consider raising the clip volume slightly before generating captions so the tool can pick up words more reliably. Now, go to the Captions area and choose Auto Captions to let CapCut transcribe your audio automatically. Pick the correct language and the right audio source if you have multiple tracks. For a one-word punchy feel, a cleaner transcription helps, so keep settings simple and straightforward. Then start generating. This may take a while, especially for longer videos. You'll see a progress indicator while CapCut processes the audio. Keep the app open and avoid heavy multitasking during this step so the generation completes smoothly. When it's done, you'll see captions appear on their own track above your video. Next, head to Animations. Select the caption track or a caption clip so the animation options apply to your text. Animations are what give your one-word captions that energetic, kinetic vibe. Click Animations to open the available styles. You'll see various in, out, and combo effects. For the one-word look we're after, we want something that emphasizes each bit of text without being distracting. Look for bounce out. Apply it to your captions, then adjust the duration so the animation feels tight and responsive. Shorter durations create a snappier, word-by-word punch that matches quick speech or beats, while slightly longer durations work better for slower delivery. If your clip pacing is fast, keep the animation brief so it doesn't spill into the next word. Finally, preview the video from the timeline. Watch and listen for timing. Each word should appear, read clearly, then bounce out right as you move to the next moment. If anything feels off, make small timing tweaks to the caption segments or the animation duration until the words land naturally. When the flow feels right and everything is readable, you're good to go. That's how you add one-word captions in CapCut for a dynamic, engaging result.